What's up, everybody? Usama here, and you are watching Tech with Usama. This is a camera comparison between the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the Galaxy Note 10. In this comparison, we have the powerful Note first. The Note 10 Plus has 5 cameras in total. It's got 4 cameras at the back. The main camera is a 12 megapixel shooter on the top. There is a 16 megapixel shooter, which is the ultra wide lens, and then there is a 12 MP telephoto shooter. Two of these shooters are optically stabilized. The fourth camera on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is the time of flight sensor. On the front, the Note 10 Plus has a single 10 MP camera. The Note 10 also has got the same 3 cameras at the back. There is a 12 MP, 16 MP and a 12 MP camera. The Note 10 doesn't have a TOF sensor. It also has the same 10 MP camera on the front. Now both phones have same options in their camera applications. These phones come with the live focus video mode, the night mode, Instagram mode and some other good features. Both phones are capable of capturing 4K video at 60 fps from the rear camera and 4K video from the front camera. In case you are thinking that these phones are going to produce the same result for the pictures, then let me tell you that it's not going to happen. There is a huge difference between the pictures taken by the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the Galaxy Note 10, and that is probably because of the software optimization and the TOF sensor on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So to find out that difference, you need to watch this video till the end. Talking about this comparison, let me tell you that it's a huge one. First of all, I have shot these images in the modes that are common on both phones. These pictures have been shot outdoor in broad daylight. I have taken some images indoor and some images in low light too. Furthermore, there are a lot of night mode pictures too. You will find videos in all possible resolutions at the end of this video. The selfies and front camera videos are there too. Another thing that you need to know is that I am not going to judge the pictures and draw my opinion. You have to watch this video with a lot of patience and decide the better camera for yourself. Don't forget to mention your opinion in the comment section down below to help everyone else. Before the comparison starts, make sure that you have hit that subscribe button, the bell icon, and in case you just like this video, please hit the like button as well. And I will catch you in another one really soon.
different. Cause the light's so young, cause the light's so young. And could it be different? What are we missing? Cause the light's so young, cause the light's so young, so young, young, young. I will try. I know this heart has been broken so many times, and I will try until I found another heart that beats like mine.
This is the front video recording from the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I am shooting this video in the 4K resolution. Right now the sun is in my background, as you can see. You can get an idea about the mic recording and the video stability for the front camera's 4K videos. I'm shooting the same videos on multiple phones, so don't get confused when you see this video. The same video is being shot on the OnePlus 7 Pro, the Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy S10 5G as well. Now this one is the 4K video from the Samsung Galaxy Note 10's front camera. I mentioned in my Note 10 Plus video that I'm shooting at the same place with the same scenes on multiple phones. I have these phones in my hands and the OnePlus 7 Pro is in my pocket because I cannot hold so many phones at the same time. You can see how the 4K resolution is capturing the background and me in this video. The background is here. And now this is a front video from the Galaxy Note 10 Plus in the 1920 x 1080p resolution. Unfortunately, we cannot shoot the front videos with 60 fps. Right now the sun is in front of me and you can get an idea how this phone is capturing the background in the front video and also get an idea about the stability. I would like to hear your feedback about this video in the comment section. And now this is the front video from the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. You can see that the sun is in front of me as I mentioned in the Note 10 Plus video, and the background and the stability can be judged in this video for the Galaxy Note 10's front camera. I will just show you the background to give you a better idea now.